Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get notes on Instagram if you don't have access to that feature yet. Now I will show you how you can simply add notes to your Instagram. First of all, launch Instagram app and then go to your chat. After that, to add note to your Instagram, you can simply tap here where it says note and you can write whatever you want, or else you can add a song and then share. But if you don't have that feature yet, there are some solutions. First of all, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. Now open Play Store and then search for Instagram. After that, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. And then after you're done updating, go back to your Instagram app and check if your feature has been activated or not. If still not, you can simply change your personal Instagram account to the professional one. For that, go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and then again go to three-line icon from the top right inside of your screen and then again go to settings and privacy. Now scroll until you will be able to see account type and tools. After that, you will see an option at the top that says switch to professional account. Once you tap on there, you will be able to switch your personal account to your professional account. Choose the one that describes you best. Just click on next and then on continue. After you're done with switching your profile, then again go back and make sure if your note is still working or not. If it is not yet, there is last solution for that. Go to your profile again. After that, go to the three-line icon from the top right hand side of your screen and then again go to settings and privacy and scroll till the last. There at information and support section, you will see an option that says help. Tap on that option and then again go to report a problem. After that, again go and tap to report a problem. Tap on continue and include. Now here you can just type the problem that you are facing, saying that you don't have note feature on your Instagram account, or else you can also take a simple screenshot of that problem and then attach here and then send it to the Instagram service center. After that, wait until Instagram replies you back and then your issue will be solved. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.